Hi guys, good afternoon, 12:45 here in London, the Friday the 13th. Ooh, spooky day. Let's have a quick look over. We've got FX here, pretty quiet. Euro up towards the highs and reversed around 10 AM UK time. A lot of resistance there. The end of the day, end of the week, going to be key. Do we finish above 118? At the moment, the bulls are in control because we are currently above there. If we are to have this level as a resistance from this morning and push price down, then I think we can start drifting towards 116. But at the moment, it does have that feeling that we're going to get another test of the 119. End of the week is key there. For the pound, it come off a fair bit yesterday and has now retested 130.184 as resistance. I like the idea of a short building up from there. Again, close of the week is going to be key. If we close below pretty much where we are now, I like the idea of us drifting back down towards 130 and 131 for an area where there could be some other support to come in with a longer term target back down to 129. But at the moment, the dollar is on the index itself. Dollar index is resting on a very key trend line. Big decisions to come from that. Gold, we have talked all this week about 1850 to the downside, but also this resistance level where we're trading pretty much right now, 88, and we've got it 85 here. You can see the significance of that. Decision time to come. I'm bullish above, I'm bearish below. Let's just get the X's to mark the spots. Close of the week is going to be key here. Can gold get it back above 1885 and then I think we can push on? Or is it the opportunity to get short again, the dollar starts strengthening and actually we do push lower? At the moment, it is seeming good, but it's still below resistance importantly. S&P, you know, you can see here, as long as it stays back above those previous highs and support levels from, what's this here, the 5th of November, the bulls will be relatively happy. You are starting to get those lower lows, higher lows I should say, so a break of that is most likely to be the end of this little uptrend that we've been in. But at the moment, you've got to say, as long as it's still within this range, anything can happen. I don't think anyone is super in control right now when looking at the S&P. A bullish above 35.75, bearish below 35.23. So in that 50-point range, well, a big range. I'm not too keen on calling a direction, to be completely honest. Let's have a quick look over at the NASDAQ, which of course is, still had lovely support from the low that we had on Tuesday. We finished above 11.77s, and I'm happy. I'd be happy to be long from Tuesday and still holding it. And the way it's looking, 12,000 next target. And then if that happens, you're looking towards the stars again. The Dow Jones, similar to the S&P here in that it's in a bit of a range, but more importantly, it did find solid support today, yesterday, Tuesday as well. And as long as it stays above there, stocks will remain buoyed. If we get below those lows across the board, then I think we start to see a bit of an unwind. But for now, if anything, stocks are looking good. Quick look over at oil, which has been such a fantastic market. It really has. Look at this as a resistance point. We've got such a key support level in the week that held the opportunity to get long. And also, you can see last week as well, this whole sort of support region was just utterly fantastic. Don't know what's happened here with the mouse. Just went a bit slow there for a second. But yeah, you can see it's great. 39.37, is that the opportunity to get long again? Is that the place where oil could come down towards? I think so. But what a market, really, really nicely respected levels as of late. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy the Friday the 13th afternoon, and I hope you have a great weekend ahead.